Hi friends, this is Shanmuk. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a SQL login. Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to create a SQL login. So for that, what you have to do, go to security. You can see logins list, right? So in case if you want to see the logins list, whatever like logins are there, logins are created in the SQL server. Who and all can log into this particular SQL server? You can see this list. Only the people of this list only the people of this list can log into this particular SQL server. Other people can't log in. Okay. So if you want to log in, you should be a member of this list. So how can a member of this list? By simply creating a login. So we have two types of logins, as you know. One is a SQL login, and second one is a Windows login. Okay. Let's first create a SQL login. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a Windows login. Okay. So for SQL login, you have to select SQL Server authentication. Then that is called a SQL login. Okay. There is no prerequisites for SQL login. You can simply create a SQL login by just giving your name. For example, Shanmuk, I want to create a SQL login. Okay. This is my login name, Shanmuk. And you cannot create your own logins, by the way. Okay. Only those who are having a sysadmin privileges or a security admin can create a login for you. Okay. So you have to give strong password, minimum 8. Okay, and one caps, one small, one number, one special character you have to include, and make sure enforce password policy and enforce password expiration. User must change password at next login should be enabled. Why? Because you are not going to create logins for yourself, so you are creating logins for others. So that means you know their password. So it's not correct. It's not a good way of knowing others' password. So if you choose this option immediately, once they are trying to log in with the default password what you are giving, he is able to change the password in the next login. So he definitely you should change the password. For that you have to select this option. Then definitely he's going to change the default password. In this way, uh, we don't have control on the user's password. Okay. So like this we can create. If you want to give any permissions, okay, so that we are going to cover under next video. But here this is how we can create the SQL login. First you have to provide the login name, and you have to choose SQL Server authentication, and you have to give strong password, and make sure these logins, I mean like these controls are enabled. Okay. So this is how we'll create a SQL login. Thank you. Right.